Parang ito yung artista dahil. Like, I cannot. Okay.
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na.
Supportive.
Supportive, okay.
Wow! Okay! Wow! Okay! Nag-sarcastic na, oy!
Sarcastic na bawit.
Okay.
Wow. Jawa, hindi ko alam. Sige, go.
Balik?
Oo, balik.
Wow! Okay!
Nakakabalo. Uy, ayaw pagbuts ako. Oh, ha.
Hindi na ako mabuan.
Ay, wait lang, B.
Slow.
Ako na lang una, B. Wow. Paano ba? Supportive ba yun?
Supportive.
Wow,
Excited
okay.
ba?
Parang sarcastic naman niya sa akin. Sarcastic lang tayo mag
Overthink na rin ka.
Wow,
Sige,
okay.
din ako comment.
Wow, okay. Tama ba? Okay na, sige, go.
Go.
Continue na ako na. Supportive. Wow, okay. Dili ko kabalo. Okay.
Wow! Okay! Ay, wait lang pa. Wala mo, no?
Ano ba yun siya sa'yo? Dapat kung ano ka, yung i-mention ko kung sa isunod.
Supportive ba ito?
Kapila tama, ay magbalik-balik ta. Sige, go.
Sige, sunod. Disappointed. Disappointed.
Sige, go. Ako. Wow, okay.
Wow, okay.
Sarcastic.
Sarcastic na ito, no?
Ikaw, sarcastic.
Sarcastic. Wow, okay.
Wow, okay. Dili ba?
Okay, Raman.
Last, flirt.
Flirty.
Let's see how sweet will and
Oh, ikaw na.
ikaw na. Ako ba? Sige, go. Wow. Okay. I cannot. Wait lang.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, let's start with supportive.
Wow, okay.
Wow, okay.
Next. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Wow, okay.
Wow. Okay. Sarcastic na.
Wow, okay.
Wow. Okay. Same lang.
Flirty.
Flirty. Ikaw na muna.
Wow. Okay. Flirty ba yun?
Wow. Okay.
Aray ko.
Dili na nato i-mention kay imo mang isulat diri ang attractive ana, di ba? So di
sige.
na ta ma-mention diretso na lang like so. Una is supportive, disappointed, sarcastic, and
Flirty.
flirty. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Ikaw na sa sarcastic. Ikaw muna.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Ikaw na.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay.
Wait ba? Okay.